Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check what is trending on Twitter. First step is go to www.twitter.com on your web browser and sign in with your username and password. Click on the Explore this hash option, it's in the left menu. To see Twitter trend, click on the trending menu. To see all the trending hashtags and topics, navigate to the Trends section. You can see the trend box on the home timeline. You will find the trend box on the right sidebar. Notification tab, List tab, Bookmarks tab, Search results and Profile page. The trend box will be located on the right side of the page. You can change your location for trends on Twitter. If you want to change trend location, then click card. This card appears top right corner, or you will find the video link in the description.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.